Starting around 05 August 2023, Bitgert by and large fundamentally is exchanging at $0.00000026 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.05% in every way that really matters, most recent 60 minutes, or so they for the most part thought, which for the most part is very critical. Brise, especially in every practical sense, has an actually for the most part complete market cap of $103,684,343, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,707,965, which basically in every practical sense is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. This entirely the most part makes Bitgert, Brise, exceptionally beautiful positioning at 190 in the digital currency market in a quite enormous manner. Truly in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you especially for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert really be somewhat worth in 2023? Or so they basically thought, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Bitgert an especially sort of wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023? Reasonably truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Will Brise cost actually in a real sense outperform its unequaled high? These entirely are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future. Bitgert, Brise, value forecast 2023. As per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost for the most part is supposed to basically cross a by and large normal value level of $0.00000035. The normal kind of least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the lovely kind of current year ought to explicitly especially be $0.00000034, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Besides, Brise can explicitly certainly arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.00000038, kind of exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking, which most certainly is very critical. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032, which for the most part is very huge, which generally is genuinely critical. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $0.00000031 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very critical. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. Bitgert cost in a real sense generally is supposed to in a real sense reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023, while the kind of typical cost of Brise for the September certainly sort of stays around $0.00000032. Bitgert, Brise, value forecast October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000032 and $0.00000035 in an unpretentious manner, as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.00000033, which sort of is very huge. Bitgert value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Bitgert could sort of stretch around $0.00000037, or so they sort of thought in an especially significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023, especially explicitly, is $0.00000034, with a genuinely normal cost of $0.00000035, which is very huge, or so they thought. Bitgert value conjecture December 2023. The actual sort of normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, might in every practical sense, in a real sense, go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023, which in a real sense especially is genuinely critical in a kind of significant manner. Brise could truly in every practical sense be exchanging around to by and large truly most extreme worth of $0.00000038 with the base anticipated cost of $0.00000034. Bitgert in every way that really matters, past value examination and the in every way that really matters fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense in every way that really matters has been basically commonly diminished by 6.8% in its for the most part, especially current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we truly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap basically explicitly is likewise down, which in every practical sense shows that these for the most part all things considered are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future. Bitgert, Brise, value forecast 2023. As per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost especially truly is supposed to especially cross an especially normal value level of $0.00000035. The normal essentially by and large least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to by and large be $0.00000034 in a genuinely lovely significant manner in a significant manner. Bitgert very is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely beautiful other crypto coins, which generally essentially is very critical in an unobtrusive manner. The Brise in a real sense explicitly is down to nearly 26.57%. In the kind of sort of most recent 7 days, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for very past beautiful few days. The coin could by and large basically have serious areas of strength for pretty however, we don't essentially feel that it would a beneficial resource in momentary and in every practical sense, significant way in a very significant way. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise in every practical sense really diminished by 46.523%, wiping out an incredible very normal amount of $0.00000023 from its sort of certainly current worth, exhibiting that Bitgert value figure December 2023. The quite normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could sort of go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023, amazingly. Or so they basically thought. This unexpected down for the most part explicitly implies that the coin generally for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense generally be a very great generally truly purchase of potential open door for in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, speedy venture, or so they certainly thought. Or so they by and large thought. Bitgert value conjecture 2023 facts. What will especially be Bitgert quite of worth in 2023, which very is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. The Brise cost basically is estimated to fundamentally by and large arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of $0.00000038, with least cost of $0.000000